In today's digital landscape, your website shouldn't just be a brochure. It should be your most active sales agent. Meet the BharathaTechno Assistant. Unlike standard chatbots, our AI engages visitors in meaningful, context-aware conversations. As a visitor shares their requirements, like John here, looking to move his mobile business online, the AI is already working. It doesn't just take a message. It provides instant value by recommending specific solutions, like our B-Store e-commerce platform, tailored to the user's niche. At the same time, it's quietly qualifying the lead by understanding their needs, budget, and intent. But the real magic happens behind the scenes in the admin dashboard. Here, business owners get a real-time bird's-eye view of their sales funnel. Our AI automatically scores and categorizes leads based on urgency and intent. Let's look at the lead we just saw. By searching for John, we can see his M-score is 65, marking him as a hot lead. The lead intelligence module goes deep. It identifies the project type as an e-commerce website and classifies the buying stage as consideration. The AI summarizes the entire conversation into actionable insights. Your sales team no longer needs to read through long transcripts to understand what the client wants. You have the full history at your fingertips, ensuring your follow-up is personal, informed, and ready to close the deal. Transform your website traffic into intelligent leads. Experience the future of tech leadership with BharathaTechno.